Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Wrexham Volkswagen and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Tiguan TDI Match. It is a 2020 model and it comes with 21,000 miles on the clock. It comes finished in the reflex silver metallic paintwork and offers the 2-litre diesel engine with the automatic transmission. Taking a look at some exterior features, you've got the stylish 19-inch Victoria alloy wheels having a sporty design. On the roof you'll find the silver roof rails offering additional storage solutions, ideal if you're an avid camper. And on the front and rear you'll find the parking sensors offering an audible noise when too close to obstructions. Into the boot, a great amount of space available with smaller storage pockets to the left and right, storage underneath the flooring as well, including your space-saving spare tyre there. And you have also got the option to fold down those back seats should you need any more room. Into the rear seating you've got the rhombus cloth upholstery with the armrest and cup holder combination in the centre and ISOFIX mounting points on the outer seats. In the centre you'll also find the vent controls as well as the third zone climate controller, USB and 12 volt, and both of the rear seats do come with the folding tray tables with the cup holder on the side. Into the front you've got the 4 electric windows and electrically adjustable door mirrors with heating and folding on the driver's door card there, lighting and wipers behind the steering wheel, and the lovely manually adjustable front seating. On the steering wheel you'll find the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions as well as volume just below that, and on the right you have the next and back buttons as well as controls for the digital cockpit display. Onto the main media system under radio you'll find DAB offering stations from all across the country as well as AM and FM standards. You have also got plenty of your own personal inputs under the media tab, including a CD player, memory card reader, USB, AUX and Bluetooth audio for a wireless connection. You can also use that Bluetooth for hands-free calling, taking or making the calls while on the go safely and legally. Under navigation you've got a nice clear map which will show you nearby points of interest, and of course you can save destinations into the system for easy access later on. Under app you'll find the App Connect allowing USB smartphone integration so you can stream applications through the media system. As is the 4Motion model you've got plenty of driving modes including the normal, sport and eco options, and it does also come with the snow and off-road modes as well, which are ideal for the winter months or if you are someone that goes off-roading. You've got a reversing camera as well which is ideal to help you see in those more difficult situations, as well as the parking guidelines to help line up parking spaces. Just below the screen you'll find the climate controls. Again, I said it was a 3-zone so you can have for driver, passenger and rear passengers individually temperature controlled. Underneath this you'll find the 2 USBs, AUX, 12 volt and plenty of storage space. Comes with the start stop engine button, electronic parking brake and the automatic transmission in the centre. Behind that you've got the 4Motion badging or the 4-wheel drive, as well as the controls for the driving modes. Plenty of storage in the centre with a hidden compartment and even more inside the armrest. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01978 503 523. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.